नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, 11th मॅथ 2 मध्ये चॅप्टर नंबर 2 सिक्वेन्स अँड सिरीज आज आपण पाहणार आहोत. त्यापैकी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन आणि जिओमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन हे दोन प्रोग्रेशन्स आपल्याला इथे पाहायचे आहेत. तर अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन हा पाठ तुम्हाला या अगोदर 10th ला होता. तो आता यावर्षी तुम्हाला जीपी हा पाठ पाहायचा आहे. त्यापूर्वी एपी मध्ये तुम्ही काय पाहिलं? एपी म्हणजे अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. सपोज हियर फॉर एक्झाम्पल 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. तर या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला जो फर्स्ट नंबर आहे तो ये असेल आणि जो डिफरन्स आहे that is these are the terms P1, P2, P3, P4 and so on. All these terms, the difference between these terms is constant. Difference constant. That is equal to here is difference 3. Then in a progression we get the difference is constant. Then this progression is arithmetic progression. And this progression we take any term that is Tn in the form a plus n minus 1 d. What is the value of n? You want to find out term 10, then we take the value of 10 and we a is you know and difference are you get from the P2 minus P1. That is the difference between two terms is constant, and then we get the any terms from this formula. Then after we calculate the number of terms sequentially, calculate the number of terms in addition. Then their formula is n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. These formulas, two formulas are useful, but in the next year, that is in 11th standard, we get any progression that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. This is the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Their difference is 6 minus 3 is 3, 9 minus 6 is 3. But here ratio 6 upon 3 is 2, 9 upon 6. This is not the geometric progression, but this is arithmetic progression. But we have multiple of this. That is, for example, we take here the progression example is that is 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, then 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. In this example, there is no common difference. There is no common difference. Then at this time, here is we get ratio, that is T2 upon T1 is equal to 2 is equal to constant. Any terms divided by first term, there before term, then we get the ratio, that is 16 upon 8. 16 upon 8 we get 2. 8 upon 4 we get 2. 4 upon 2 we get 2. 32 upon 16 we get 2. This is the constant term ratio. Then this progression is called as geometric progression. And in this progression we want to find out any term. Then Tn is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. This formula is calculated for this term. Then after we take the summation of all terms sequentially. In the formula there is two types of formulae. Why these formula are changed? Because here r is greater than 1 or r is less than 1. Therefore, if r is greater than 1, we take the summation of these terms are a into bracket r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1, where r is greater than 1, and if Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r, where r is less than 1 and r is not equal to 1. R is not equal to 1. Hence, their theory, in theory part, we take the reminders, that is 3 numbers in JP. What can you assume? You assume that the 3 numbers are a upon r, comma a, comma ar. If 4 numbers in JP, you can consider a upon r cube, comma a upon r, comma ar, comma ar cube. And if 5 numbers in GP, then you consider a upon r cube, comma a upon r, comma a, comma ar, and ar cube. These 3, 4, 5 numbers are useful to solve the questions in the exercise number 2.1. In exercise 2.1, we only use this formula, and in exercise 2.2, we use this formula. Therefore, we start to this exercise number 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Here we use the formula Pn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Question number 1. Check whether the following sequence are. Check whether the following sequence are. Check whether the following sequence are GP. If so, write Tn. If so, write nth term. Therefore, the example number first is 2, 6, 18, 52, dash. For that, A is equal to 2. First term is 2. Now, R is equal to T2 upon T1, that is equal to 6 upon 2 is 3. Then R is equal to T3 upon T2, that is 18 upon 6, that is equal to 3. Therefore, it is in GP. It is in GP. Now, we write the Tn here, and R is greater than 1. R is greater than 1. Therefore, Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1, where A is 2. A is 2 into R is 3 raised to n minus 1. This is the Tn. Now we take next number second, 1 minus 5, comma 25, comma minus 125, comma 10. Therefore, we take here A is equal to 1 and R is equal to minus 5 upon 1, that is minus 5, comma R is equal to 25 upon minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Therefore, R is constant. Therefore, it is in GP. Therefore, Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. That is, here we take 1 into minus 5 bracket raised to n minus 1. Then we take the next example, number 3. Here is 5, comma 1 upon root 5, comma 1 upon 5 root 5, comma 1 upon 25 root 5, and so on. Here a is equal to root 5 and r is equal to 1 upon root 5 upon root 5, that is equal to, what do we get? There is 1 upon root 5 into 1 upon root 5, that is equal to 1 upon 5. Therefore, r is equal to 1 upon 5 root 5 upon 1 upon root 5. Then root 5 get cancelled and we get 1 upon 5. Therefore, it is in GP. This sequence is in GP. Then Pn is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. That is root 5 into 1 upon 5 bracket raised to n minus 1. This is the nth term of this sequence. Now we take the next example 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Here a is equal to 3 and r is equal to here 4 upon 3 and r is equal to 5 upon 3. Therefore, r is not constant. Hence, it is not a GP. It is not a GP. And we take the next question, last question. 7, 14, 21, 28, so on. Here a is equal to 7 and r is equal to 14 upon 7, that is 2. 21 upon 14. 21 upon 14, that is 3 upon 2. Therefore, r is not constant. Therefore, it is not a GP. Now we complete the question number first. After that, we take the next question, question number 2 in next video.